Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious coconut rock buns or rock cake. It is very simple and easy to make, and it is very delicious. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna leave the recipe link in the description box. I'm gonna start by preheating the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit and lining the baking sheet with a parchment paper. So I'm gonna go ahead to sift my all-purpose flour. I'm also gonna add in a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm gonna sift everything together. So when I'm done sifting, I'm gonna mix everything together to make sure it is properly combined. When I'm done, I'm gonna add room temperature butter. You could use margarine. Then I'm gonna mix it in with the flour. So if this is your first time on my channel, or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe and on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Thank you so much and God bless you. When the butter is properly mixed in, it's gonna look like breadcrumbs. At this moment, I'm gonna add in my brown sugar. I'm just gonna properly mix the sugar in before adding the coconut flakes. You could use freshly grated coconut after removing the brown part of the coconut, that is the skin, but I'm gonna be using coconut flakes instead. After everything is properly combined, I'm gonna set it aside. In another bowl, I'm gonna crack in 2 large eggs at room temperature and lightly beat it. When I'm done, I'm gonna pour the beaten eggs into the dry ingredients, then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and some milk. I'm gonna add the milk in gradually. You can use coconut milk or evaporated milk. So I'm just gonna mix everything to combine and be adding the milk in gradually. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description box, so you're gonna get all the measurements. Let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to check out my website, and you can follow me on other social media platforms. Thank you. The batter is supposed to be very sticky and dense. That's why it's a little bit challenging mixing it together. But you can also mix it with your hand. That is what I normally do. But for the sake of this video, that's why I'm using a spatula. If not, I normally use my hand. So when you are done, your batter is supposed to look like this. It should be dense, not runny. See the way it drops? That's why some people even call it coconut drops. So I'm gonna be using an ice cream scoop to scoop the batter so that they will have the same size, and also it will help in creating a rounder shape. When you are placing the batter on the sheets, it is very important to space them out so that they will have enough space to rise, because if you don't, they're gonna stick together when they begin to rise. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and share the video. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do. Thank you. I generally prefer a rounder looking rock bun. So what I normally do in order to maintain that, I go in with the back of the spoon that I already dipped in water to smoothen it out so that the batter doesn't stick to the back of the spoon. It is easier when you dip it in water. If you don't, it's gonna be sticky and it will look messier. I have already preheated my oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius, and I'm gonna bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the coconut drops are ready. I'm just gonna let them cool down. In order for the bottom of the coconut rock buns not to get darker, I'm gonna transfer them to a rack so that they will cool down completely. Look at those delicious coconutty goodness. Very delicious. This is an excellent snack for any coconut lover. This can also be a good snack for your kids at school. My children love to take this to school for snack. This coconut rock buns is just like the Nigerian buns, crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. Let's listen to the sound. Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. The only thing that tops that is the deliciousness. So whenever you want to make coconut rock buns, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you will not be disappointed. You're gonna enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.